The Spark EUV is a new electric SUV. It's set to arrive in Brazil in 2025, and it looks pretty cool. Check out this sleek design. This vibrant blue color really pops against the white roof. I love how they kept the classic Chevrolet logo on the front grille. What do you guys think of this look? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited about seeing more electric SUVs hitting the market? Chevrolet has been making some interesting moves lately, especially with their EV lineup. This Spark EUV is definitely one to watch for. It seems like they're aiming to make sustainable driving accessible and stylish. Back to that first image, I can already imagine cruising around town in this thing. The panoramic sunroof would be perfect for those sunny days. And who doesn't love a good road trip these days? Imagine taking this little guy off-roading. Maybe not its primary purpose, but hey, it could handle a few bumps along the way, right? Just picture yourself exploring hidden trails or camping under the stars. Pretty adventurous, huh? Okay, back to reality for now. But seriously, if you had an electric car, where would you take it first? A scenic drive through nature? Or maybe just a quick grocery run? Tell me all about it. And don't forget to follow for more updates on the latest cars coming to Brazil. We'll keep you posted as we get closer to the launch date. Stay tuned for pricing, details, and other specs too. So what are your predictions for the price tag? How much do you think this beauty will cost? Drop your guesses down below. I'm curious to see where everyone lands. Now let's rewind and admire that stunning blue again. Seriously though, this color choice is so bold and refreshing. It makes me want to hit the open road ASAP. Where should our next adventure be? Alright, last question before we wrap up. If you were designing your dream electric vehicle, what features would absolutely have to be included? Think self-driving capabilities, advanced charging stations, anything goes. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who might also be interested in the latest.